Good morning, good morning, guys. I hope you all are doing very well. I'm so happy to be here with you this morning. And so today we're going to do a weekly analysis of what we expect from the market, and then after that we're going to let me make a copy of this because I'm working on something. Let me just anyway, yeah. Um, so I'm so happy to be here with you today, and so to this morning we are going to focus on S&P 500. We're going to analyze what we expect to see for this week, and and then what else? We are going to do a projection for today, and see, and we're going to check what the news. Yeah. So I hope you had a very nice weekend. And if you had a nice weekend, please let me know. If you have any questions, if you have anything you like me to do, like for example, you want me to do some analysis in any other pair, just let me know. I'll carry it out. And but so far, I love to trade S&P 500. So far, if there's no request, if no one requests about something specific or a pair in specific, I'll keep doing analysis about S&P 500. And but if you have something you want me to analyze for you, like NQ, Euro, USD, gold, or anything else, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to do it. All right. But so far, I'm a big fan of S&P 500, so I will be so I'll be just focused on doing analysis of S&P 500 every single time. So if there's no request, I'm completely okay. Good morning, Good morning, George. Good morning, Jameson. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. And yeah, and I hope you can see my screen. So let me take the MVM out, and yeah, let's just have a look at the monthly scenario. How are we seeing the monthly scenario? Okay, so let me just hide the lines. Okay, as we can see, we only have 3 days and 12 hours left for the monthly candle to close. But so far we can really appreciate that we are almost having a bullish body close candle. But we don't know until this candle close. We don't know what to expect. Okay, so in the weekly, last week, unfortunately, we were expecting last week to close what? Bullish body close. But it didn't. So last week closed bearish body close, which means that the sellers are getting inside of the market. Okay, sellers are getting inside of the market. Okay, so let's just take this bullish affinity. We don't need it. Weekly swing success. We don't need this. So yesterday low, today John liquidity. We don't need this. And then weekly low, all ETH last week, new ETH. We need this level is very important. And then MMM block. I don't know if we still need this one. Weekly close, we don't need it. Weekly open, we don't need this. And sellers on H4 still. Okay, so we have a lot of target up there. Okay, anyway, so as we can see, last week this candle, we're expecting this candle to close bullish body close, but it didn't close bullish body close. It closed bearish body close, which is telling us that the sellers, our fresh sellers, are coming inside the market. Good morning, Bernie. Good morning, Jude. Good morning, Guwenchi. Good morning, Eduardo. And yeah, so as we can see here, we can see that this market is highly likely. Um, so this market highly likely push down more based on this bearish body close on the weekly. However, 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 even this is a bearish body close. As we can see, we are bumping into a lot of a lot of bouncing point, like I like to call them, that might push price down if price were to come all the way down here during the week. Okay, so because the weekly is very close. Okay, so we have a lot of sellers coming in, they are pushing up. However, as we can see, we are in front in front of an unfair pricing gap. Okay, this is an unfair pricing gap which was filled. Okay, this unfair pricing gap or the weekly was filled last week. Okay, it was filled. So what we can see, what can we visualize inside of this unfair pricing gap? We can see that this candle, even it closed bearish body close, it still respected the it still respected the unfair pricing gap, because it didn't close below the midline, but it did close bearish body close, which means like the sellers are very strong based on this closing. Based on this closing, sellers are very strong. So now let's mark out. Okay, this is our weekly swing success. Okay, this is our weekly. Okay, swing success on the weekly. Okay, so these are weekly swing success. Okay, so these are weekly swing success. So and then this is our target for this week, bearish body close, because the candle is bearish body close. However, we need to make sure that even this candle will push down. Remember, we have a buyer's market. This market is a buyer's market. Okay, so we need to bear in mind, that even though we have a bearish body close, but when we look at all these candles, we have a buyer's market. You see, so see on the weekly. So on the weekly we have a, so this is the where we have our first market stick to change with a bearish body close. I would say it's here. Okay, this is our MM external block on the weekly. This is another MMM internal block. Okay, MMM internal block again here. So this level here, it's very important on the weekly, but we don't really need to focus on it, because we don't really need to. We could even mark it out. Okay, so we have a bearish body close here, which is like this, an MMM external block. And as we can see, let's mark this out, but it's quite far. Okay, so anyway, let's mark it out. So we have an offer pricing gap here on the weekly. Okay, as we can see. However, and then we have a on-field portion gap down here, which means price highly likely will come back to this level. Me, I love the this little gap, this little on-field portion. For me, they are like breadcrumbs. They are telling you exactly what price will do in the future. Okay. Mm, mm. The screen is not moving. Oh, that's so sad. Okay, give me one sec. Yeah, so I've been talking like forever. Just mm, let me fix it. Can you see the screen now? Okay. I hope you can see the screen, guys. I think now it's perfectly okay. If yeah, so on the weekly, we can see that we have a MMM external block here. We have an MMM internal block here at this level, which means, and then down here, we have an on-field portion gap. Okay, here We have an unfilled portion gap. Okay, we can mark this unfilled portion gap out. Okay, but we don't really need to worry about this unfilled portion gap all the way down here. But at least we know this unfilled portion and on the weekly. So what I was saying is that, as you can see, the market closed bearish body close on the weekly. However, the overall market is bullish. Now, this candle, even this candle close, bearish body close, which means our daily target is down here. Our weekly target, this is our weekly target, is here. Okay, our weekly target is down here. And then we have some unfilled portion gap here on the 4 hour. We'll mark them later on. And but if we see the market context is telling us we are bullish. Okay, maybe this might be a retracement, or it might be price just trying, like trying to just quick and buyers capitalize on taking profit, but we don't know. Since we have a bullish body close and then we have a bearish body close, which is quite confusing, which means the sellers are very strong inside of this market, but this market is still bullish. However, for this week, our bias is bearish, okay? Bearish. But the overall market is bullish. Remember that. The overall market is bullish. However, on this weekly, we are seeing a strength from the sellers. Let me delete all these trades. We are seeing strength from the sellers. They could close this candle bearish body close. However, they couldn't close this candle below the midline. Even this candle went all the way down here, but they could not close the candle below this line. Okay, so this morning, what happened? So this is the closing of yesterday, of the last week. Okay, and then this is the closing of last week, and then this is the closing, this opening of this week. What do we see? We see a bullish opening. Okay, an opening plus a positive opening. Once we have a positive opening, it means that the buyers are strong. Based on the census market come inside here, okay, bounce from all these MMM external block and from this UPG market bounce, the market respected the midline of this unfair pricing gap, okay, and the market was there. So, and then even this candle close bearish body close, okay, this candle is telling us, based on the MM bias, that we'll be looking to take bearish trades, okay. However, we have a positive opening, okay, for the week, which means the buyers took over. So will the buyers will be able to push price all the way up? So me, based on what I'm expecting now, okay, I'm expecting this market to push up, okay, to push up. Since these buyers open price all the way up here, they didn't even give the sellers a chance to push price down, okay. But so for me, this market, it's more bullish than bearish in a certain way. Even the weekly opening, even the weekly last week was bullish body, last week was bearish body close. But based on the market context, based on the context, I can say I would prefer that this market push up, because you see the buyers open price all the way up here, which means they are very, very strong. So we need to be very careful. The weekly is telling us we need to be looking for bearish. However, the entire market context is telling us we are bullish, and this opening here is confirming that we are highly looking to push this price higher up. Okay, so let's check the daily, what the daily is telling us. Okay, so this is the daily, and then the daily as well. I mean, since we have the opening on the weekly, so the daily opening, okay, we have another daily positive opening as well. And then see, this is the positive opening. on the daily. OG plus. Just based on the market open, it can give you an insight where price might go. Okay, so this is the daily. We have a positive opening on the daily, a positive opening on the weekly. So this market is telling us that we highly likely wants to push higher. However, we cannot ignore the fact that last week closed bearish body close. Okay, last week closed bearish body close. Even we are taking to take trades, we need to make sure, okay, that this market will push, might push lower as well. Okay, so and then so we still have a lot of target all the way up here. Okay, so but this is now, it's a protected high, which is the weekly high. Okay, weekly high, which was a bullish affinity plus, which was our target for last days, but the market didn't go all the way up here. But this is our weekly high. Okay, and then if the market wants to push down, it shouldn't violate this high. Okay, okay, so yeah, and then at the same time, this is DOL of last week. It was a DOL last week. Okay, it was a last week target. So we need to make sure that we don't miss any detail. Okay, it was a last week target. So we need to make sure we don't miss anything. Okay, so it was a last week target, but however, so since this closed bearish body close, the buyers have all the rights to push up, because there's a lot of sellers inside of this candle waiting to exchange. But if we analyze this candle, what we see, this candle closed, let's see the range of this candle. Its entire range is like almost 2%, and this closed 78%, which means that the sellers are the strongest person in this candle. Okay, the sellers are the strongest in this candle. Okay, and then even the buyers push up, but the sellers could close the market down here. So we highly likely see that the buyers will try to push price inside of the weekly, but at the same time, remember, the buyers are still strong. If they could open this price here, they are still strong. So we need to wait today how today's candle will close to give us a clear idea how this market will work out. Okay, so in here on the daily we have on the daily we had last week, we had a bearish affinity plus. Okay, if we had a bearish affinity plus, okay, bearish affinity plus, this is the bearish affinity plus low. Okay, this is on the daily, this is our bias. Let me put it on like 10 or 11. Let me just delete this. So this is so we had a bearish affinity plus, which means that this level here shouldn't be violated today. So this is our bearish affinity plus high. Okay, on the daily, let me put this like 11 maybe. So this is on the daily. Our daily target is bearish, our weekly target is bearish. However, I'm not expecting price to push down now because it's the beginning of the week. Okay, so that's why we expect price to retrace, because price have all the right to retrace all the way up here, unless it doesn't violate this high. But once price violate this high, the weekly high, we are no longer bearish. However, what I'm expecting for today, at least I'm expecting some kind of bullishness. Okay, but if price were to violate this high, pushing up, we highly likely see price coming inside of this unfair pricing gap and then push up here. Okay, but we are on the weekly, we are bearish until this level is violated. On the daily, we are bearish as well until this level is violated. But if we check on the opening is telling us the buyers are very, very strong. And we can see that the buyers are pushing price like crazy. Okay? We don't know if they are looking to liquidate the position with the all the sellers all the way out here. Okay? Okay, so let's mark this level as sellers just to make it clearer so we know exactly what we're looking for. This is sellers. Okay, we have sellers on the H4. We have an on-field portion gap here, which means that this price, based on we have the weekly opening positive, daily opening is positive, so we highly likely see this price pushing higher up. Okay, higher up. I don't know where, but this if price were pushing higher up, this should be price target. Okay, this is the first target on the daily. Okay, let's if price were to violate this level, price highly likely will take 59.04, 50, and even go all the way up to 59.1075. Okay, so even we have a bearish body close on the weekly, I'm more inclined into a bullishness than bearishness. Okay, so do we have any MMM block? Any MMM block? Do we have any PO4? We don't have any PO4 to this level, which means that the bears are quite fake. And then here, based on the context here, bears are quite fake. Bearish body close, okay? They couldn't even create a unfair pricing gap to this level, which means the bears are not strong enough. Which means the buyers are stronger than the bears. And since we have a buying context, so as I say, I would prefer to take long rather than taking short based on the market context, based on what the shark are doing. Okay, see, this is a bearish body close, but this couldn't even push down. Okay, this again couldn't even push down, and we see this candle. If the sellers were strong enough, why they let the buyers open this price all the way up here? Which means that these buyers are looking for something around here. All right. So let's go on the 4 hour. If we check at the 4 hour candle, okay. So let me just fine tuning these levels exactly where they should be. I like them to be very perfect. Okay. So on the weekly, we have a bearish body close, and then price took this high, delivered, price opened up, okay, price pushing up now. So we have 30 seconds to see, 28 seconds to see how this candle will close in the 4 hour. You highly likely close bullish body close. If you close bullish body close, it means that if this candle were to close bullish body close above this high, okay, above this high, okay, we highly likely see that price will try to push up. Okay, so the closing above, okay, see price close above this line, which means that now we are waiting for a retracement, but I don't think this price will retrace because the buyers are too strong. See, we have almost no wick, okay? Almost no wick here, okay? No wick, which means the buyers highly likely don't really retrace back inside. They are quite strong. So for the sellers to retrace and push this price down, they need to be super strong. But now I expect the buyers to just take over and then push this price up, okay? This is what I expect because I've based on the closing of this candle, okay? Based on the closing of this candle, the buyers are telling us we are strong, okay? There's no weak. So this high will be taken very soon, okay? So this is our H4 high target, H4 high. This is our target from H4 high drawn liquidity. So I'm expecting the buyers to just push to this level here and crush it. Take this high. Okay. Oh, so we have an unfair pricing gap here. Okay. Unfair pricing gap. All right. This is mostly like an unfilled portion with an unfair pricing gap. So this is highly likely we might see price maybe bounce from this level. Did this market create market safety change? Not really. We didn't have a market safety change. Okay. See, okay, here, yes, we do have a market safety change here. Okay, price rebounds from here, opening. Okay, so maybe, see, price took the high. Okay, price took the high. Will price filled out this level? So we might see a bounce from this level here. We might see a bounce. If the sellers are not capable of pushing price down at this level, which means the buyers will, if this 1 hour candle were to close on top of this unfair pricing gap, it means that the buyers will push price all the way up today. See, his unfair pricing gap is very, very important. If the buyers are strong enough, they were able to push this price all the way up, which means they are so strong, they will not let the sellers. The sellers, this is the last line of defense. The sellers, if they want to stay in this market, they need to push this price down at this level here. If they don't, this price, if this candle close above 58, 85.75, we highly likely this price keep pushing up. Okay? Yeah. And yeah, so this is it. And then 4 hour, what do we have? Let's mark this low. So this is the H4 low, H4 low. So we don't expect this level to be violated. And this is the H4 swing success. H4 swing success happened here. So based on the H4, we need to see if the buyers are strong enough, they need to close this candle all the way up. Okay. Well, okay. So this is the last line of defense of the buyers. So the buyers should be able to push price. Not last of defense for the sellers. I mean, if the sellers are strong enough, they need to take over at this level here. This is the only opportunity to take over this market. If they don't, the buyers will smash them. Smash. Okay, so they really need to defend this level here. They really need to push this up. Okay, let's check on the 15 minutes. What do we have? 15 minutes. What do we have? 15 minutes. We have a market MMM. We have our MMM internal block from here to here. And then if the sellers were to take over here, they will push price all the way down here. Okay, but let's see. This is our MMM external block here. Okay, MMM external block here on the on the one 15 minutes. MMM external block along 15 minutes. So this level here, the sellers needs to push price down. If they can't push price down here at this level, okay, it's over. It will be over for them. So they really, really need to. Okay. And then yeah, they really need to push this price down at this specific level if they want to take over. If they can't, it's the end. It's the end. Okay. So let's put this and see. Yeah, see? Yeah, that's perfect. Which means the buyers are quite strong inside of this market. Let's see how these 15 minutes will close. But so far, what I'm seeing on the MMPD, the buyers are super, super strong. The buyers are super, super strong. Yeah, from what I'm seeing on the MMPD, the buyers are super strong, which means this price will keep pushing up. Yep. Buyers are super strong so far. This is what I'm seeing on the MMPD. But let's see how this 15 minutes will close. Based on this 15-minute closure, we'll have a clearer understanding of what the buyers want to do. Okay, but so far the buyers are the one driving price. Okay, the sellers are not the strongest. Well, let's see the MVM. What the MVM is telling you? They're telling us. We see the MVM price close outside of the bullish volatility line. Okay, so let's see. Will they let the sellers take over, or will the buyers keep pushing up? But now we are in the buyers market. Okay, the market is for the buyers now. Even you see this price is pushing down here until this candle close. We still in the buyers market. Let's see on the 1 minute. Okay, in the 1 minute the sellers took over. 1 minute sellers took over. Okay, so and then we have this HVC here, which was violated. HVC violated here. HVC violated, which means that HVC bullish violated, which means the sellers now are in control in the 1 minute. Okay, so the sellers are in complete control in 1 minute. M1, they are in complete control. Okay, we see the institution getting inside. Okay, in this candle they got inside. We have our external block here on the 1 minute. HVC violated. Okay, in HVC1, HVC, this is our HVC, and HVC1 was violated here, which means that sellers are in control in 1 minute. Remember, in 1 minute, sellers are in control, and the sellers were able to close the market below the volatility, bearish volatility line, which means they are in control in the 1 minute. However, in 5 minutes, are they in control? No. In 15 minutes, are sellers in control? No. In 4 hours, are sellers in control? No. In 1 hour, are sellers in control? No. Okay. Okay, so they are only in control in 1 minute. So let's see. Now, will price will violate, okay, will price will violate this MMM external block here. This is our MMM external block in 1 minute. Will they be able to violate this level? We don't know. Let's see. So for them to confirm in 1 minute, for 1 minute bearishness to be confirmed, they need to be able to push this price and close below this MMM external block. Okay, this is our MMM external block long in 1 minute. Okay, if the sellers are strong enough, you see the reaction from this level here, the reaction from this unfair pricing gap here, and then this MMM block. You see how price came exactly to the MMM block. See, on the 1 minute, price came exactly to the MMM block level and push up. You see the reaction, the bouncing, the rejection, which means there's a lot of buyers get in. So if the sellers want to take over, they need to push this price down and close below this MMM external block long. And then I will consider now in the 1 minute we are fully bearish. Okay, fully bearish. But just based on the HVC1, I could have just taken a nice trade here and then take profit from this level here. Just based on the HVC here being violated with a PO for bearish, and I'm in premium, and then I have institution coming in, okay, and I have a red candle. This would have been a very nice trade even without MMA internal external. Okay, this could have been a very nice trade. See, very nice trade. Okay, and then you just put your stop loss on top of the HVC. Okay, the HVC1. Okay, and that was violated in your target. This is a very nice 1 to 4, very easy peasy. 1 to 4, you just take profit here inside of the 1 to 4.67. Very easy. Okay, remember guys, if you take any trade, it's your own responsibility. Okay, so this is for educational purpose only. Okay, so I'm not selling signal, I'm not telling you where to get in. I'm just doing an analysis of the market so you can understand the market much better. You can take your time and wait and swing with the big guys. Okay, so everything you do is your own responsibility. Okay, we're still bullish on the 5 minute. We are not bearish. We can check the market situation. We're still bullish. I don't even need it to check. We're still bullish. Okay, but however, in the 1 minute we are bearish. Okay, 5 minute we're still bullish. Okay, we are bouncing from this level. So if the market want to push up, you see the MM block CDL, and then we have another MM block CDL on the 5 minute as well. 5 minute, we have another CDL in the 5 minutes. So this is in 5 minutes as well. So as I'm always say, the market is all about precision. The market is all about what you can see, but the MMM is giving you this kind of precision, this kind of understanding of what price is doing. And you see here as well, this is another MMM external block, or MMM. No, this is not an external. This is an internal block, I would say, on the 15 minutes. But it's all the way down here. Okay, so 15 minutes internal block, MMM internal block CDL on the 15 minutes. And we have a positive opening here, which means I highly likely expect price to push up rather than going down. But if price were to go down, it needs to violate this level here. Okay, the sellers needs to show strength. Okay, they need to push price down. They need to show strength. They need to show power. Okay, external block, internal block, CDL. This internal block CDL. on the 15 minutes. Yeah. So the sellers need to show strength, power, but we are still bullish. We are still bullish. If they are, if they really want to push price down, okay, that's why you don't enter the market without confirmation. Okay, we don't enter the market because you see a PO for bearish, you get in, you just get inside of the market. Okay, what if the market come and take this low and then bounce again? So for this market to be bearish, we need to find a bearish body close below this level, and to confirm the bearishness, we need to find that this market needs to close, okay, needs to close below the MMCD, below the bearish what is called bearish affinity line, a bearish volatility line. Okay, so now let's see. So this is the way the market works. Okay, this is the way it works. Okay, this is the way it works. Yep. So now we're just waiting. So since this is a bearish body close, we expect the market to take this low. Okay, bearish body close in the 5 minutes. We expect the market, this is our drawn liquidity. Okay, if the market were to follow the rules, this M5DOL, so the market needs to take this low. Okay, if it doesn't, which means that there's some weakness. Okay, we still have 1 minute 26 seconds for the 15 minutes candle to, well, for the 5 minutes candle to close. But since the high was taken and the price pushed down like this, this is a sign that this market might push down. But we have no confirmation yet. Okay, no confirmation yet. Sorry, no confirmation yet that this price wants to move lower. Okay. Okay. You see, all this is closing now. It's closing inside with bullish affinity in within 40 seconds. Okay. So it seems like the market wants to respect this MMCDL here. We don't know. Let's wait for the closing to see. But however, we are in premium. We are in premium in the 5 minutes. 15 minutes, we are in what? We are in premium, but like we are pushing up. Okay? Premium, but pushing up. Okay? So highly likely this market pushing up. Okay? 3 seconds. So so what do we do? What do we have here? We have a swing failure because this is a bullish body close. The market failed to close bullish body close, and we have a bearish affinity plus. Okay, but if we check the candle, this candle, we have equal length. Okay, 15 minutes. The week are equals, which means that we have indecision in this market. If we have indecision, so we highly likely, I will prefer to see that this price push up. Okay. Well, let's see, because we have indecision in this market here. We have indecision. Will this market push down? Will this market push up? We are still bullish in the 15 minutes. We're still bullish in 1 hour. Okay. But this 1 hour needs to confirm the bullishness, or in this 1 hour needs to confirm the bearishness. But I think this market highly likely push up rather than pushing down. I think. But let's see, where do we have the kill zone? Okay, Asia high is taken. Okay, Asia low has not been taken. Okay, we have Asia low here, which is the H4 low. Okay, will price come all the way down here? I don't know. I don't think so. So I think this market highly likely keep pushing up. Okay, highly likely keep pushing up. We don't have any. Let me see if we have any on-field portion gap. We don't have any on-field portion gap. We don't have anything here for this market to push all the way down so far. Only the Asian low. Let's see, the Asian low was taken or not. Yeah, Asian low. Let's see, the low is 58.68, 50, 58, 70, 58, 68, 50, which means the Asian loan, this kind of at the same level. Okay, we have a nice liquidity here. I don't think that this market will push down. Okay, I don't think so, but let's see. We cannot make conclusion because we have nothing on our hand. So, as we can see here, this market push down here. This might be a retracement. Okay, but we don't know. Market, as I say, the market needs to respect this level here. Okay, this level needs to be respected here. And then let's see, do we have any? we okay. So sellers are taking over. Sellers are taking over in the 1 minute. Let's see. It depends of all the candle close. I will tell you exactly if we are pushing down or if we are pushing up. Okay, sellers are taking over, guys. Sellers are taking over. Yeah, sellers are taking over. Yep, sellers are taking over, guys. Give me one sec. Sellers are taking over. But this candle, sellers are taking over. We have a lot of sellers coming inside of this market. They violated this unfair pricing gap. For the sellers to confirm, this candle needs to close bullish, not bullish, bearish body close. This candle needs to close bearish body close. If this candle were to close, okay, no, the buyers are coming. The buyers are coming back. Okay, the buyers are coming back. Okay, let's see. Yeah, buyers are coming back. They say no, 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 no. They say no. The buyers say no. Denied. Denied. Request denied. Request denied. We are pushing up. Request denied. Request denied. Sellers request denied. Sellers request denied. Sellers request completely denied. Bye bye. Completely denied. They are telling the sellers this game is mine. Okay, let's see how the reaction to this unfair pricing gap here. Yeah, sellers are being denied. Sellers are being denied, guys. But the buyers, they need this candle need to stay. This candle, you see, this candle needs to close with bull's power inside. I will tell you. Oh my gosh. So I need to leave you guys. I need to leave you. So I need to start another live. Okay. So the sellers, let me see the reaction. The reaction is weak or strong? Quite weak. Okay. Sellers, sellers are weak. So we highly likely see a consolidation at this level because, but the buyers are still inside. Sellers are weak. Buyers are still inside of this candle. Okay, the buyers are still control this market, guys. Okay, buyers still control this market. Buyers still in control. Yeah, the buyers are still in control. See, they're still in control. See, on this unfair pricing gap, I didn't even saw it on the 5 minute. See, close above the midline. Okay, so buyers are still in control. Let me check the MMPD. Yeah, buyers are in control. It's a buyer's market. It's a buyer's market. Let's see how this price close. Yeah, we have more buyers coming in. More buyers are coming in. Yeah. Oh my God, sellers. Oh. What's going on, guys? There's a lot of fights. There's a lot of fights. There's a lot of fights. Let's see how this candle close to see if the sellers are taking over. Okay, because we still have this level here that they will look to come down here to distribute to the buyers here. Okay, seems like the sellers doesn't want to give up. They do not want to give up. But the buyers, this is a buyer's market now. It's a buyer's market. Unless this candle close bearish body close, Is this candle close bearish body close? Which means that the buyers are no longer in control. We highly likely to see this price pushing all the way down. Okay, buyers are done, guys. Let me check the 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Buyers are done, done. Okay, the buyers couldn't keep price. Now we highly likely see the sellers here. They're pushing price out. Okay, so now we highly likely see what, that the sellers push price all the way down here, take this liquidity, even push price all the way down here, and even violate this level. Okay, I think the sellers now are in control. The buyers weren't able to keep pushing this price up here. Okay, the sellers took over. Sellers took over. Let's see the response of the buyers. Since they bought a lot at this level here, so we have a lot of buyers. The buyers will try to buy again. Okay, the buyers will try to buy again. Now that's so interesting. Okay, sellers in control. Sellers in control. Buyers in control. But now sellers are in control. Now sellers are in complete control. So what will the buyers say? Sellers are still in control in the 1 minute. Let's check the 5 minutes. The 5 minutes, buyers are still in control. 5 minutes, buyers are in control. Okay? 5 minutes, the buyers are still in control. 1 minute, sellers in control. 15 minutes, buyers in control. 1 hour, buyers in control. 4 hour, buyers in control. 1 minute, sellers in control. 1 minute, the sellers are in control. Okay? Okay, I need to leave you guys. So it was a pleasure to be here with you. So please take care. I need to start another YouTube live for my people. So and so please take care. As we can see today, it's a day for you. Our only short was this high, but price took it very, very fast. Okay, now for the sellers to confirm bearishness, they will need to close price below this level here if they want to confirm bearishness. Okay, the market is only bearish in the 1 minute. Remember, only the 1 minute is bearish. However, all the other time frame we are bullish. Okay, and the weekly is bearish. Weekly is bearish, 1 minute is bearish. All the other time frame are bullish. Okay, except the 1 minute and the weekly. Okay, so but for now we just wait, and then look for a nice MMM external block, MMM internal block, whether it's the 15 minutes, so you can confirm your trade. Okay, so thank you very much. So please take care. See you tomorrow morning, same time. Okay, and for another analysis. If you have any requests, you want me to analyze a specific market, just let me know. Okay, please take care. Bye bye. Now you see the sellers are taking profit. Now sellers are taking profit. They are still in sellers are still in the market. They are still in the market. They are just taking profit. They are taking profit in this candle here. They are just taking profit now. So we have no buyers so far in this market. So sellers are still inside of the market. They are just taking profit. But what I see is